Hi. I wanted to ask you, what are the strengths you see in Rasha and Aman as actors, or even as people? Also in Mohit, for you to have brought him to the big screen, what did you see in him? Have you seen his performances? Same with Diana. She's not from this world that you have taken her to. So what did you see in her? Why did you cast her? So for all of them, and also Ajay, when you have a fifth character like the horse, how tough was that handling the horses? And is Ajay very comfortable on the horse? Was he did he need to take riding lessons, or what was he like?
So I'll just flow through all your questions, with Rasha, she was like a truly like a rose, she looks really beautiful. But when I started to work with her, it's just when you peel off each petal, you realize, oh my God, there's more and there's more. And she had so much to offer. So the film initially did not have the capacity to do justice to what all she could do, and I think she has so much more to offer the industry, But as we went along, I realized that she could dance so well, but I did not have the room, but I made room for that. My film definitely had room for it, but I had not accommodated for it, But I said, why should I lose that opportunity? So I brought that in. But the ability for her, I've realized one thing. हम सब कहते हैं कि फिल्म वालों के घर में जो बच्चे होते हैं, हम उन सबको एक तरीके से देखते हैं, पर ऐसा नहीं होता है. हर फिल्म वाला एक इंडिविजुअल होता है, उसके घर की अपब्रिंगिंग उसकी अपनी होती है, और ये बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स और अपने जो अपब्रिंगिंग है वो दिखाते हैं. एटलीस्ट मुझे पहली फिल्म में वो दिखता है. आगे चल के फिर इंडस्ट्री आपको एक तरीके से बनाने की कोशिश करती है, मगर शुरू में आई कैन सी वेयर दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम, एंड आई कैन सी बोथ ऑफ देम हैव हैड वेरी गुड अपब्रिंगिंग्स, एंड राशा हैज सच पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, like it's infectious. And I'm not just saying it's not what you call bubbly, it's positivity, and you can see it emanate in her personality. And for Aman, he has a quality where he can listen, and I think for actors, everybody reads the script, my whole crew reads the script, hundreds of people read a script, and everybody interprets it in their own way. So if an actor thinks that they already know it, it becomes very difficult for the director because his job is to align everybody's vision to one vision, sometimes borrowing from the way others see it, some of his own, but he has to align it. And for an actor to listen, is very, very important. And he has that quality, and he has that therav as an individual. It's a very ingrained quality, and I think he gets it from his mama, because his mama has definitely got it. He's got that stability and gravitas. He's very young to use the word gravitas on him, but I think as he matures as an actor, it will also emerge in his personality. And there's no insecurity. He's not, he's there in his full presence, and he's there in the moment. Whatever his talent may be, you cannot be a highly skilled actor on the first day of your film or the first day of your job. Nobody's expecting that. But if you can contain yourself and not be falling apart, that is an achievement in itself on the first day, which he did. And in my very first meeting with him, I felt I can communicate, and communication for me is key. आपने मुझसे डायना के बारे में पूछा. Diana, I'd seen her work earlier, and I've never seen her in the avatar that I needed this character to be. So I thought about it several times. In fact, when I did Rock On, I had not seen Arjun Rampal in that character, and I remember a similar comparison I can make, because I was like, will she do it? Because she had a very Western persona, and I wanted a very authentic Indian graceful woman, So, but there was some look test that we did, and फिर वो किरदार की जो ज़बान है, क्या वो ऐसे बोल पाएंगी, वो मध्य प्रदेश वाली जो हिंदी बोली जाती है, वो बोल पाएंगी कि नहीं? And we did several tests and readings, and she was flowing really well. She genuinely brought honesty and integrity to this role. Even with Mohit Malik, I had not seen any of his work, but I know that he was a experienced player on the television arena. And I've done that before. I've just kind of met people, know that they have experience, but like with Sushant, I had never seen any of his work. With Mohit, again, I didn't see any of his work. But in that room when we sat together, he had some quality about him. In fact, I think he was a little unclear in the beginning whether he should play it or not, and should he do this role or not. But I was very keen on him. I thought this man has a beautiful personality. He, एक एक्टर होते थे पुराने ज़माने के, मैं नाम भूल रहा हूँ उनका, but he was a fantastic looking man, and he used to play the villain in those older films. He used to have slick back hair, and आपको याद आ रहा है? मेरे को नाम नहीं याद आ रहा. Huh? No, come on. Does he look like KN Singh to you? No, but I'm saying there was that one gentleman, I wish I get that name, but his hair used to be beautiful, and his language, he was in the Pran Saab ke arena ke hote the wo. Rahman, that's the one. And I was looking for that actor who could play a Rahman-esque character, and I thought Mohit had that quality in him.